Everyone, this is what you're going to receive. This is a pull close or easy pull end, and this is the bolt that you receive. First, start off by removing the two nuts, washers. Alright, next step is put your bolt through your eyelet. Put your two washers on your bolt, then put your brass nut on first. This will stop it binding. Now keep doing this up, and as you're doing that up, the sail will pull closer and closer to your post. When you've pulled it close enough, the bolt will be all the way through. Then add your stainless steel nut to the end of it, lock it off, and that will stop your bolt and your thread from pulling any further.